Hello, fellow classmates and scholars. So you've probably seen me solve this in class or just fidgeting with it, but today I'm going to show you how I solve it. And so first thing is you're going to solve a side. It doesn't matter what side. I'm going to do red because I just choose that side. So there, and you want to make this shape. This sort of like an L shape kind of. And then you're gonna get this other red piece right here. Under it. Have it here, here, here. And what you're gonna do is on the screen right now. So what you're gonna do R inverted, D, R, D inverted, 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 R inverted, D, R, D inverted. And then what you're going to do next is solve the yellows, the orange side, because orange is the opposite of red. If you solve the blue side, then it's green. If you solve the right side, then it's yellow. If you solve the orange side, then it's red. And then so you either have one, and if you have one, then you're gonna put say this is like white, and this was the only orange, and you would put this. You put it in the left corner here. But if you have this like me, and you keep it on the right side. And then if it's like this, like there's orange here and there's orange here, then you just keep it there. But if there's orange here and here, then you turn it like that, so there's orange and orange. Since I have it like this, I'm going to keep it there. So the algorithm you're going to do is going to be on screen. And then what you're going to do is right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, 2, R inverted. And then you put this orange piece in the bottom left corner. Then you do it again, so R, U, R inverted, U, R, U2, R inverted. Let's put it here, and then do it again. And you're gonna look, turn it, and then if you solve another side, so the next step is solving the cube. So this is back here again. You're gonna look around, find 2 right here. I'm gonna turn that till it gets solved right here. And you'll have the orange, the white, and the red. Then what you're gonna do is face whatever side that you've already solved away from you. And then the algorithm you're gonna do is right inverted, face, right inverted, B inverted twice, and then R, face inverted, R, B inverted twice, then R2, and then B inverted 2, and then turn it, and you can solve it.